staying with those pictures. Manish Sisodia has now reached the telecourt where he will be produced by the CBI shortly. Priyank getting us those pictures live. Apparently, there has been some sort of a confrontation as well with Manish Sisodia as well. Priyank, if you can take us through those sequence of events.
Yes, certainly. Manish Sisodia has been brought to the House of the Court and he is presently inside the 5th floor of this particular building where at the court of Judge M.K. Nagpal. His hearing is expected to start anytime soon. We saw Manish Sisodia going in the CBI vehicle and this time he was smiling. But very interestingly, the CBI had also not covered the windows of the vehicle, which means that they also wanted this time the visuals of Manish Sisodia to go through the media channels. What is expected in few minutes from now, that the CBI could ask for judicial remand of Manish Sisodia, because so far they have already used the 7 days of police remand and they will certainly try to keep some more days of police remand with them out of 14 days which they can get at the maximum time period in this particular case. We know it for the fact that the CBI is expected to give a proper reply, written reply on the bail application which has been moved by the accused side on 10th of March. The CBI is expected to give a proper reply. But in the meanwhile, when our colleague Nilashi Chaudhary confronted Manish Sisodia and tried to ask a very pertinent question, he again, went evasive. He was not giving proper reply. But while he was going inside from this gate number 5 of House of the Court, he was smiling to give a message to the media, to his party workers, that he is not at all in any kind of stress because of what is happening. Very interestingly, in the previous hearing, Manish Sisodia had told it to the court that it's okay that the court is giving police remand to the Central Bureau of Investigation, but those repeated questions should not be asked to him, which has happened for the last 5 days, for 5 to 10 hours. We are expecting that the hearing in this case will start anytime soon. At 2 p.m. the hearing is expected to start. In the meanwhile, because of the repeated protest of the Aam Aadmi Party workers, the security deployment still continues in and around the area of House of the Court. But very interestingly, this time none of the party workers of Aam Aadmi Party had come to protest outside their party headquarters, which is right behind.
Would you say anything about the allegations against you, sir? Would you say anything about the allegations against you?
All right, that's the confrontational sequence with Manish Sisodia. Our colleague Nilashish trying to put out those direct questions to Manish Sisodia, most certainly evading all of our questions. But yes, that's the latest we can bring to you. He has now reached the Rouse Avenue court. Remember, there's no relief in sight for Manish Sisodia at least till the 10th of this month, because that's when the court will take up his bail plea. 10th of March is the date that's been given. And like Priyank was pointing out, as on the day he was arrested and thereafter when his first custody had ended, we did see a massive show of strength on part of the Aam Aadmi Party. Those visuals certainly not coming in today. That's not the scene that can be witnessed on ground on part of the Aam Aadmi Party. Interestingly, the BJP though has taken to streets demanding the resignation of Arvind Kejriwal. Priyank continues to stay on with us as we keep up with that confrontational sequence. Priyank putting out those direct questions to Manish Sisodia but evading